This story is from Maui Now, honoring Lahaina's resilience one pizza at a time. This August, in heartfelt remembrance of the second anniversary of the 2023 Lahaina wildfires, Pepe Pizzeria and Cucina is donating 100% of proceeds from its beloved margarita pizza to the Maui Pono Foundation, a local grassroots group committed to helping Lahaina families rebuild and recover. Owners Michelle and Kiana Ibari know this journey intimately. After losing their original restaurant in the fires, they became the first to fully rebuild and reopen in Lahaina town, welcoming guests back this past March to their new home in Emerald Plaza. Their story of resilience continues. Just last month, they expanded with a sister restaurant, Via by Pepe, now open in Whalers Village. This initiative is more than a fundraiser, it's a tribute to community courage and the enduring spirit of Lahaina.